We at the jerk center. Why so serious? We at the jerk center. I see pork on the window. I don't know what's happening. I would turn it around, but I told y'all I gotta respect people. I don't want to be recording people. About to get some jerk chicken and see what else they have. They just hungry. If y'all know me, I would have been running already. Dog loose. Okay, about to order. Look at the chicken. Jerk chicken. Me and my ketchup. Where's my guy? Some jerk sauce. I'm staying here. How do you say Jamaican icy? Huh? It's good, baby. back home now. Royalty was not with us all day. As y'all saw, we went to the jerk center to get some jerk chicken. And it was bussin'. It was bussin'. Y'all, I am feeling. I am really feeling this hair. They gotta pay $19? Like, come on. What? All I did was swoop my sides. Y'all know how we do. Yeah, feeling real cutesy, very demure. Yeah, so once Royce came back, she was saying that she was hungry. So my husband ordered her some Jamaican Chinese food. Hold on. It's butter? Look at her plate. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so this is it. And it's sweet and sour chicken with fried rice. Yeah, it tastes good. But I guess it's supposed to be kind of like boneless, but it's not boneless because there's a bone in it. But it is good.
So good, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You don't even need no duck sauce, no soy sauce, no nothing. Are you finished? Rice all over the floor? No. Y'all, let me tell you something. I'm traumatized by these ants. Traumatized. 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 Where's the dustpan? Before they come running. They fast. What you gonna do for my birthday? That's my song. Huh? What you said, babe? Because I feel like for some reason when juice is like thick and it's just like in the fridge, I don't feel like it's at its coldest capacity. If you understand what I'm saying. I feel like it needs to be like that freezing cold, so you need to put it in the freezer. Thank you. You could close her food, Greg, the chicken. Thank you. Royalty bust that down. My birthday. What you gonna do for my birthday? Get my phone. This is what? Let me tell you something. I am paying attention to every crumb on the floor. Y'all don't understand. These ants is real. Okay. Why is this light on? How you cut this light off, Greg? Yeah. Yeah. Like I was saying, the Chinese food is bussin', and today was a good day. Went to a birthday party. I went to go hang out. So I know she's exhausted. I'm exhausted. And the weather was really nice and cool. It was very breezy. I loved it. So grateful for that. And yeah. So tomorrow's Sunday. We might be going to most likely Greg's friend / sister Sabrina's house to have dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and stay tuned to tomorrow. Yeah, Vlogmas this year is different. It's definitely different, but I love you guys and I will see you tomorrow.